Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitin Sharma and today in this video we will discuss all about that how we can serve CSS, images and JS file in express.js of Node.js. Okay guys, so let's start. So guys, this is the basically result of my last video. If you have watched my last video, then you may be aware that this is the basically output of my last video, in which we have already seen that how we can change the views directory, that is a default directory of our template engine in Node.js Express framework. Okay guys, so in this video guys, we will learn that how we can serve the HTML, CSS and JS and images as well in our web app. Okay guys, so let's start. So guys, this is the basically folder of my template which we have already discussed. So in this folder guys, I will create another folder that is asset. Okay, so guys, I just created an asset folder. In this asset folder guys, I will create another folder. First one for the images and second one I will create for the JS, and guys third one I will create for the CSS. Yes guys, so I just created a main folder under template, that is asset, and under the asset guys, I have just created a three folders. First one is CSS. In this folder I will just put my CSS, and next guys I have just created another folder that is images. In the images folder I will just put my all the images for my web app. Okay, and guys in the last, that is JS. In this folder guys, I will just put all my JS code here. Okay, so guys, now let's start. So what I will do firstly guys, I will just copy an image here. Actually I have a default image, so I will just copy the image from here. I will just copy and I will just paste under the template asset and images. I will just paste it. Okay guys, so I have just pasted the image here. This is the image in my system. Okay, so now guys, I will just call the image on the home page, that is index.hbs. okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just use img src is equal to, and I will just pass the path. Actually guys, by default my views belongs to template folder, so I will just pass the path as images / image.jpg. this is the basically name of my image. Okay, and here what I will do, I will just pass the width as 100%. okay, and it will just take height as auto. I will just save it. Okay guys, so now I will just run my program once again and I will check in my browser. Okay, so I've just done the changes for the home page, so I will just come here and I will rerun. Yes guys, you can see actually guys, I'm not able to get an image here. You can see because guys, I have just put the path of my image from the images directory. I will go to my network, then I will reload. So yes guys, you can see the what path is generated for my image.jpg, that is my default host whichever I'm going to run, and then /images /image.jpg, because guys, it's not getting where my data is. Okay, so just to get the data, what I have to do, I have to write a very single line just to tell Express that where our assets are stored. Okay, so guys, just to use, what I have to do, I have to use a middleware. So that is app.use. I will use a middleware here, that is express.static. okay, then guys, what I will do here, I will just use path.join. Actually we have already used the path.join in my previous videos. You have also aware about it. Okay, so now guys, in the path.join, what I will do, I will just pass $dir name. That is the basically direct name which will tell us that where our project is. Okay, and under this, what next I will do, I will just concate the path where our assets are stored. So that path is basically template /asset. I will just save it. Okay, and I will rerun my program. It has already rerun because of my node mon. I will just check in the browser and I will just reload it. So yes guys, you can see this time I am able to get my image. Okay, so this is the basically image which I have already used and I can easily get it. Okay, so now guys, I will go to my network and I will just check that what path has generated this time. So you can just check that path is also same this time. Okay, but guys, and internally what I have told to my Express, now Express is intelligent enough just to look at my all the assets, because guys, I have just changed the path of my template asset here. Okay guys, So I hope you have understand that how we can use the images in express.js template. Okay guys, but I already promised you that in this video we will learn that how we can use the CSS and JS as well. So this challenge is completed for us. Now guys, I will create a normal CSS file. So I will just create a file under CSS folder, that is style.css. I just created a normal file. So under this file guys, what I will do, I will just use a class that is a title. Okay, I've just created a normal class that is title, and under this class what I will do, I will just use font size at 40px, okay, and font weight bold. Okay guys, so I've just created a normal class that is a title, and I've just done a normal CSS. Okay, so now guys, I will go to my view layout, that is index.hbs. So what next I have to do, I have to just use the link tag here, same like we have done earlier in the HTML. So I will just use the link tag here, and then href is equal to, and I will just pass the path of my CSS. So I will just pass the path from CSS slash style.css. Okay guys, and then I will just pass the relation here, that is relation rel is equal to style sheet. Okay, and then I will just pass the type here, that is text CSS. Okay, so now guys, I will just enclose it. Yes guys, so I've created a normal style of CSS in my CSS folder, and I have just required it. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just use a span here, and under the span I will just put my code, whatever I want to display here, and I will just put a class in this span. That class is title. Okay, because guys, I have just created a title class here, so I just done it. Okay, so now guys, I will go my command prompt once again, and I will just rerun my program using rs. Okay, so I will go to my browser, I will just close this network section console, and I will just reload it. Okay guys, so you can see, I will just minimize it for you. So yes guys, you can see that I can easily get a title here, okay, and I can also get my image here. I will just inspect just to check the what CSS has. So yes guys, you can see here, so I can easily get the CSS whatever I just put in my style.css file. So guys, I've done a very simple thing in the CSS this time, but you can create whatever CSS you want, and you can just use it very easily. Okay guys, so this challenge is also completed for us, that how we can use the CSS in express.js template. Okay guys, this is a very super easy, and because guys, only one time I've just changed the path for my asset. Here you can see. So now guys, now we don't have to do anything related to the path for the assets, whatever we want to include here. Okay, so now guys, I will move to the next one, that how we can use the JS. So under this JS folder, I will create another file, that is custom.js. I have just created a normal file for the JS, and what I will do here, I will just create a function, normal JavaScript function. I will just create show alert, and what this function will do, this will just alert I am in show alert. Okay, I've done a very simple thing. This is a basically normal JavaScript function. So now guys, once again, what I have to do, firstly I have to require my JavaScript. So what I will do, I will just use script tag here, script src is equal to, and I will just pass the path of my file, that is js slash custom.js. okay, custom.js. okay, so now guys, yes, I've just used my custom.js, and here I will also pass the type as text slash JavaScript. Yes, okay, so now guys, I can also use the custom.js file here. So what I will do, just use custom.js, I will just create a button here, that is input type is equal to button, and value is equal to click me. Okay, so I just created a normal button, and on this button guys, what I will do, I will just use my on click function. On click is equal to, and what is the name of function, I will just copy the name from here, and I will just call it Okay, yes, so I will just save it, and I will just copy the line from here and I will just put it here. Okay, just to so I will rerun my program once again. I will go to my browser and I will just refresh my screen. So yes guys, you can see the button is visible here, that is click me, and I will click on it. And yes guys, you can see I can easily get alert whatever I have just put it in my function. Okay guys, so I hope guys you have understand that how we can use CSS, JS and images in our web app using Node.js Express framework. Okay guys, but guys, if you have any problem regarding the same, then you can directly put it in comment box and I will get back to you soon as possible I can. Okay guys, so we will meet in the next video and we will learn something amazing. So till the time, take care.